My name is Elysia English, and over the past couple of weeks, I have been working on an extraordinary project. I have had the opportunity to build my very own studio space. I built one of Home Hardware's backyard packages. They have lots of packages available, like garages and sheds, decks and fences. I chose one of their 12 by 12 bunkie builds. I'm going to turn this into one of my dream studio spaces, and I'm so excited because I have just completed the build. The best thing about this project is it came with all of the plans free with purchase of materials, and so I didn't have any trouble building this my very own self as an all-woman build. Here's how. I want to take a second to thank everyone who supported me during this all-woman build, especially Home Hardware. Home Hardware has been rising me up since the beginning of my journey, and it is because of their support that I was able to work on an extraordinary project like this. Thank you so much, Home Hardware, for always making my dreams come true. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next update.